Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. I am Burhan Khalid, roll number 23i-6174 from Fast News Islamabad. This is our digital logic design project titled Four-Way Traffic Management System. On this project alongside my teammates Bilal Ahmed and Zafar Khan. In this presentation, I will walk you through the purpose of our project, its objective, and how we approach designing a simple but effective traffic management solution. Basically, our project is designed to address the problem of traffic congestions and accidents at four-way intersections. These intersections often lack intelligent signal control, leading to confusion, long wait times, and high risk of collisions. This we develop a logic-based traffic signal system that manages traffic light sequence in a fixed, safe, and a predictable manner. This system is energy efficient, cost effective, and suitable for basic urban setups. Our main goals are to enhance road safety, minimize traffic delays, provide clear and visible signaling, reduce emissions caused by idling vehicles. Was to create a four-way signal system that simulates real-world intersections control. Specifically, we aim to reduce unnecessary waiting by organizing signal timing logically, improving driver and pedestrian safety by avoiding signal conflicts, enhance the user experience by using simple, understandable light patterns, support environmental goals by lowering fuel consumptions, and I approach this challenge through a digital logic design, building a prototype that brings theoretical circuits concept into practical traffic management. Contribution was to take the lead on a system logic planning, deciding how traffic flows should be managed across all four directions, designed the flowcharts and operation sequences that define the logic for signal transitions, led the creation of the presentation slides and structured how the project would be communicated visually and technically, participating in testing and refinement, helping identify logical flaws and adjusting the timing and flow accordingly.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bilal Ahmed, and as a key contributor to the hardware development of our four-way traffic management system, I was responsible for sourcing, assembling, and testing some of the physical components that form the core of the circuit. I handled the sourcing of all necessary electronic parts, including the NE555 timer, IC, and the 4017 decade counter. I was also responsible for wiring the NE555 timer and configuring the 4017 counter. And with that, I would like to tell you what this project truly focuses on. In this project, our main goal centers around designing and implementing a fully functional four-way traffic signal system. Our primary goal is to address the inefficiencies and commonly seen at our uncontrolled, poorly managed intersections. We aim to reduce the waiting times by optimizing the traffic signal cycles by using a time-based approach controlled using the 555 timer and the 4017 counter ICs. This ensures smoother transitions and reduces bottleneck. Safety is another key focus. We've structured the system to give clear, timely signals to minimize confusion which can lead to accidents. The scope of our project is comprehensive, covering all stages from system design to evaluation. It starts with developing the hardware, including the circuit components like timer, counter, resistor, capacitors, and LEDs to simulate the traffic signals. Simultaneously, we designed the software logic that governs signal sequencing and timing. And our expected deliverables include both technical and analytical outputs. These are a working prototype of the traffic signal hardware, including LEDs for red, yellow, and green signals controlled through ICs and logic gates. Software logic embedded into the timing and sequencing of signals. A set of detailed installation of strategies that address real-world implementation challenges. Results from testing phases that highlights the signal accuracy, timing efficiency, and traffic flow of the simulation data. And complete documentation including system diagrams, flowchart, risk assessments, and testing procedures which can serve as a guide for the future improvement or implementations.
Farhan, and I'll be discussing that how managing traffic at a four-way intersection has always been a challenge. So I took the initiative to build a four-way traffic light control system using basic control electric components. At the heart of my circuit is the 555 timer IC configured in a stable mode. It generates continuous clock pulses acting like the brain of the timing system. These pulses are then fed into CD4017 decade counter IC, which I use to sequence the traffic lights. The 4017 activates each output pin in order, allowing me to control red, yellow, and green lights for all the four directions in a smooth timed loop. To manage the transition logic, I added AND gates to control the overlaps and delays. This ensures that no two conflicting directions get green lights at the same time. keeping the system safe and synchronized. I carefully calculated the timing intervals using resistors and capacitors for the 555 timer, balancing traffic for flow while minimizing wait times. Through this project, I not only learned how to work